Today we will be reviewing a step that you learned in the previous novice level, dégagé, which means disengaged. For this lesson, we will be doing dégagés from third position, which will help us continue to build up to doing them from fifth position with the proper turnout and alignment. This is what it will look like. Remember that the ball of the foot pushes off the floor and that it will only brush off of the floor at 45 degrees. Ready? We will start in third position, facing the bar with the right foot in front. Make sure you aren't rolling in as you stand in third position. And remember to lift and lengthen all the way from the bottom of your feet to the top of your head. Let's start by doing 3 dégagés devant, meaning to the front. Slide your leg across the floor and point it off the ground, making sure you go through a demi-point as you go out and a demi-point as you come back in. Demi-point, demi-in. Now we will go to the side, or à la seconde. Demi-point, demi-in. Demi-point, demi-in. Demi-point, demi-in. Closing in a third position back. With the right foot in the back, we will then do 3 derrière to the back. 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, finishing in third position. We will then repeat that with the left leg. Let's try it together. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, 8. Left side, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7 and 8. Great. Again with music, starting on the right and then the left. Ready? And 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, 8. Left, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, 8, and finish. You have now learned how to do a dégagé from third position. Great job! Remember to keep your knees straight in a dégagé and that it only comes off of the ground 45 degrees. Keep on practicing as this will help you in our next step that we will be learning. Hi! The step we'll be doing today is called pique. Pique means to prick. Pique is a term that relates to many different steps in ballet, so it is important that you learn the mechanics of it now as you continue to progress. It is a lot like a dégagé, except you will tap your toes on the ground and off the ground after you have brushed your leg out. Here's what it looks like. Piques are a sharp and fast movement in ballet. It is important that you make sure your upper body doesn't move as your leg does the motion. Ready? Let's face the bar in third to begin, starting with the right foot in front. We will do the same pattern of the feet as our dégagé exercise. Front, side, and back. For a pique, you will do a dégagé that is brushing and then rebound off the ground before you close back to third. Nothing else moves except your foot and leg in a pique. Try it with me. Dégagé devant, pique, pique, bring it back to third. Brush out à la seconde, pique, pique, and cross to third back. And derrière, back, up, and close to third. Then we will plie and straighten. Left leg, out, up, and in. Out, up, cross third. Back, up, close third, plie, and straighten. Let's now try it with music. And Okay. Plie and straighten. Let's now try it with music. Ready? 6, 7, 8. Out. Pique, pique, close third. Out, up, close third. Back. Pique, pique, close third. Plie and straighten. Left side. Out, up, close third. Side, up, close third. Back, up, close third. Plie and straighten. Awesome! You have now accomplished a correct pique. Remember to have a strong pricking action as you do this movement. You are now ready to combine these two steps. Continue to practice so you're ready for the combo. Now that you have learned how to do a dégagé and pique from third, we will combine these two steps in this exercise. We will start facing the bar with our right foot in front in third position. This combo will be done in counts of 8. We will start with the right leg in front, and then after we do the right side, we will do the left side. To begin, you place your arms on the bar. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dégagé devant, close third. 2 times, then brush out, pique, pique, close third. You will now repeat this a la seconde. Dégagé side, crossing back, dégagé side, crossing front, brush out, 2, piques, close back. Continuing, you will do 2 dégagés derrière, 1 and 2 piques. Pique, pique, close. We'll then plie 5, 6, straighten 7, 8. Plie 5, 6, straighten 7, 8. We will then go to the left, repeating all the same steps. Let's do the right side and the left side together, starting with the right foot in front. And dégagé, dégagé, and pique, pique, close. Side, cross back, and front, and pique, pique, close. To the back. 2, and pique, pique, close. Demi-plie, and straighten. Left side. 2 dégagés, 2 piques. Cross back, cross front, and up, close back. Back, back, up, close, plie, and straighten. Great, let's try it together with music. Ready? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, up, close, cross, cross, up, close, back, back, up, close, plie, and straighten. Left side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plie 5, 6, straighten 7, 8, and finish. Great work! You have successfully executed a dégagé and piqué together. Remember that it is a sharp movement, so always have your toes pointed and don't let your upper body get involved. Keep practicing.